chapter, we will study about the working of the computer. We will study about IPU cycle, input, process, and out. What it is a IPU cycle. Now, let's start with the chapter. We may want our computer to do different things at different time, but it cannot work on its own. We have to give instruction to our computer. Whatever we will give instruction to the computer that our computer will work. A computer works in 3 basic steps, that is input, process, and output. This is IPU cycle. First, you have to give data and instruction to the computer, and then the computer will process your data and give you a result. We need to enter letters, numbers, or any other information into the computer to make it work. And whatever letter, number, or any information that you are giving to a computer, it is called data. And the data and instruction enter into a computer together called input. And input to the computer is usually given by clicking the mouse or typing on the keyboard. What you will get? Input आप कैसे देते हो? Mouse को click करके या फिर keyboard पे type कर. The input device are used to send information to the computer. We use the input device for sending information to the computer, like a keyboard, mouse, and scanner. What are these? These are input device. Next is process. The process of changing the entered data into meaningful information. जब हम data को एक meaningful information में change करता है, it is known as processing. CPU works on data according to the instruction given the result. The CPU is also known as processing device. What is CPU? It is known as processing device. Next is output, the final result or meaningful information. What is given by the computer, that is your output. And when the CPU finishes processing the data, the output is displayed on the monitor. ये images के form में भी हो सकता है और कोई print out in a form of printer के form में भी हो सकता है. The output device allows us to receive information from the computer. And output device, they are allowed to receive information from the computer. Like we have monitor, printer, and speaker. What are these? These are output device. Now, let us understand the working of computer with the help of example. Suppose you want the computer to add 2 numbers. अब आपको कंप्यूटर को आप चाहिए वो 2 नंबर ऐड करे 2 and 6. You will input. हाँ भाई हम उसे 2 देंगे, 6 देंगे और प्लस का साइन देंगे. Yes, इनपुट होगा. उसको प्रोसेस करेगा 2 + 6 और आउटपुट क्या देगा 8. तो 8 क्या हो गया आपका आंसर हो गया, दैट इज अ रिजल्ट. Here 2 and 6 are the data and plus is the instruction. The CPU will process the data according to the instruction. 2 and 6, now 8 is the final result of the output. और 8 क्या होगा, final result. Now, in this chapter, I have told you about the IPU cycle, what is input, processing, and output, how we give data and instructions to the computer, and then it processes the data, and then it gives a result. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.